Hi, I want to show you these reciprocating saw wood blades for a saw like this, standard shank, half-inch shank. These are from Ezarc. Full disclosure, they did send this to me to check out, but everything in this video is my own opinion. What I'm going to do here with my cordless saw is cut this tree branch right here with these blades, but let me show you the blades first. These are 15-inch. They are 6 TPI, so 6 teeth per inch. And here's the package. It comes in a pack of 3. 6 TPI, and it says for pruning, so you could use them for smaller branches or the big branch that I'm going to show you right here. And it is a half-inch shank. This is a very standard connection for reciprocating saws. So let me show you this. See right here, very common, so you can see the tool I'm using it with. It will fit right in there, and it locks into place. Very sharp. And it says hardened, ultra hardened. This is very, very, very quality blade. And you can see there's a little hook on the end there. And imagine this if you want to hook it up or like hang it on something. I'm sorry. So let's try it on this. You can see right here. Look at the cut. Very flat cut. Due to that sharp teeth. This 15 inches is going to come in handy in that arc as well, but you can do smaller branches with it. Again, comes in a pack of 3. So hopefully this has been a helpful look at this arc edge wood pruning saw blades for reciprocating saws, 15-inch, half-inch shank in a pack of 3.